Hello. In this lesson, we're gonna learn about graphing ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are numbers like inside of parentheses 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and so on. Any different numbers can be ordered pairs. A set of ordered pairs such as 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1 is a relation. It can be shown as graph or table. So this relation is graph or table of domain and range. What is domain? The domain of a relation is the set of x coordinates, and the range of the relation is the set of y coordinates. So we write ordered pairs like this. Always remember, x coordinates, domain, comes first. Then y coordinates, which is range, comes second. So let's start doing a table for this set of ordered pairs. We have here 2 and 3. The table is this way. We're gonna show the relationship between domain and range. So x and y, this is a table like T-chart. First, when 2 is x, then y is 3. X is 3 in this case, 5 is y. And x is 4. In this case, y will be 1. Now let's name them as points. This is the way we do the table relationship. So those are points. On this graph, we're gonna find the location of these points. How do we find them? So let me first introduce you what this graph means. This is coordinate plane that has origin with 0, x-axis and y-axis. X has positive side and negative side, and y also has this way positive, the down is negative. This is a corner. This corner, I just wanted to show you the coordinate plane. So this was origin, this is x positive, x negative, and y positive, y negative. And it has 4 quadrants. First quadrant is this one, when x and y both are positive. Second quadrant, when x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant, when both x and y are negative. And the last one, fourth quadrant, when x is positive and y is negative. Now we're gonna use this coordinate plane to graph our ordered pair from this table. Okay, let's find point A. It says x is 2. Let's find x is 2. 1, 2. This is positive 2. Y in this case, in this order pair, y equals to 3. 1, 2, 3. So we come from positive 2 and we come from positive 3 for y. Wherever they meet each other, we call this point A. This is how we plot the order pair on the graph, on the coordinate plane. Let's find point B. X is 3. This is x3. And y, our range, is 5. Our domain was 3. Our range will be 5. This is 5 for y. Let's come and see where they meet. Right here. This is 3 and 5 on the coordinate plane. So this is our point B. And let's do the last one. Find point C when x is 1. In this case, x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our range is 1. We come from 1 and we come from 4. They meet each other right here. So this is how we put the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. Let's see this exercise. It says express the relation 0, 2, 1, 4, and 2, 5 as a table. Then determine the domain and range. So our domain was x. Our range is y. So how do we express the relationship? We have number pairs, ordered pairs. First one is x. Then we're gonna put x first. When x is 0, y is 2. So in this case, our domain is 0, our range is 2. Then we have another ordered pair. X is 1, y is 4. So it will be like this, 1 and 4. And the last one, first one is x, our domain. Domain is 2 and our range is 5. This is the first part the expression asks us to do. It says express the relation of these number pairs, ordered pairs, as a table. So this is the way we make the table. This is also the way, but this is another way to make a table for relation. So then it asks determine the domain and range. In this case, we have to write down a range and domain separately. Let's highlight them. So this is our domain and this is our range. Now let's make the domain here. The domain is, what do we have in front of domain? From these ordered pairs, we have 0, 1, and 2. What do we have for range from this table? The range is 2, 4, and 5. This is how mathematically you're gonna answer for this question. The domain is with this parenthesis 0, 1, and 2, and the range is 2, 4, and 5. So this is the way we graph ordered pairs. Let's do one more for negative side. Let's say we have our domain, our x is -2, and our range, our y, is 3. This is another ordered pair, and let's name it A, B, C, D. Okay, our domain is -2, which is right here, -2. X is -2, 1, negative, and -2 is here. And our range is 3. 1, 2, 3. This will be our point D. So this is the way how do we show the relationship, which is relation which is between domain and range. How do we put the points, ordered pairs, on the graph, on coordinate plane, and how we find domain and range from the relation. This is the first and basic part of graphing any ordered pairs on the graph, on the coordinate plane. So we're gonna do in next lesson how to graph algebraic equations, and you will understand more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.